My loves, back with another video. Okay, so I got 2 boxes, you guys. I didn't do last month, and if you guys have been watching me, you know I've been MIA for a couple of weeks to take some time off. So this is from the June box. It was a wildflower collection. They got some Swarovski crystals with some beads and stuff in it. That's their card, and right here that's their alcohol ink, and that's their foundation. I guess that's their base coat. It's very thick, you guys. And this is builder in a bottle, and this is the metallic top coat. And if you guys know anything about metallic top coat, please let me know, because I don't know what it does. It doesn't say or anything like that. We got some cool glitters. It's so pretty. We got some spider gel, some white spider gel, and we got some glitter. It's like pink with some gold and yellow, different shades of pink. Okay, so this is for July box this month. This is from Dulce nail sprinkles. They got some cool stuff too in here. You got a nail file. I'm not sure of the grit. You got their gel polish. This is the gold glitter. That's the actual name of the color. And it has the color of the top on the top as well. And that's nailboxy, which is the color. Oh, my bad. That's the top coat. No white top coat. And that's the nailboxy color. The color is like right on, you guys. It's like so close. You got some glue gel. It's 15 grams. This is a lot, you guys. You get a lot in this one. It's worth the money. You get some, I forgot what they're called, but they're for your nails. They form your nails and have little splits so you guys can be able to fit them onto your nails a little better. And it also came with 4 glitters as well. This is like a gold holographic kind of color going on, you see right there. And next, this one is like playful, colorful ones. It's like circles and stars and stuff. It's kind of like more for kids, I think, obviously. But this is the bombest one out of all of them. This is the one I like the most. It's so pretty. It's like pink and gold with gold flakies. And this one is so summer. It has trees and some pink glitter inside. You get a lot in there. So this is what they look like, you guys. I'm going to show them off. So this is July's box for this month. And this is for last month's June's box. Each box is $30 each, and shipping is free. Don't quote me, I believe shipping is free. So you get quite a lot for $30, you guys, because these are full bottles. These are 15 milligram bottles, and each one's probably like between probably $8 to $15. It depends on what company it is, but I haven't like checked theirs out officially. But if I do, I will put them in the video below to let you know like what each one costs, the retail price. So right here, this was taking forever, you guys. I was trying to use this to lightly feather the glitter on it, and all I was really doing was making a hot ass mess. So this is from the Dulce July box. If you guys skipped ahead or anything like that, I'm just gonna do some designs for each box, you guys. I thought she was gonna change it. You didn't put your battery to charge it?
I couldn't find the other battery. I forgot.
Oh gosh, you got batteries all over the place. So I decided to use this brush, you guys. It was a whole lot easier to do. I was able to get the stuff on, but again, do not do this because I applied a little bit of builder gel in there. So the gel was kind of sticking to the brush, and I was dipping it back inside the top, and the gold flakes started to stick to the top. So just FYI, remember to wipe your brush off each time, like I was trying to do, but I kept forgetting like every here and there. But yeah, especially if you're doing someone's nails and stuff. You don't want to like cross-contaminate or anything like that. I'm just trying to make sure that all the glitter was flat. So right here I have a white nail, and I use Venelisa's white because that's the only one of white I have. So you guys, when I did this, I tested on a piece of paper and it looked blue for some reason. And then when I put it on, I was like, oh, this isn't green. And I put it in the wrong spot. So it kind of like, this nail went all bad, you guys. So I tried to get some, what's it called? Alcohol acetone to like spread it out and make it like, you know, how everybody else do it. But it didn't work. So I was like, forget it. I gave up and just smeared it all over the nail, as you can see right now. I was like, I'm gonna put some like gold around it or something, but I was like, no, let me try the spider gel. So I haven't tried spider gel since like probably like early last year, you guys. Probably like around this time, because I got some and it like spilled everywhere. But that's besides the point. So I'm just trying the spider gel. I'm not doing no specific design or anything like that. All I'm really doing is going around the nail multiple times and hoping something nice comes out of it. Okay, so I'm doing the other nail now. So this is from the WildFlowers. So I'm using their foundation, which I think is like their base coat. So I'm just gonna apply a thin layer of that on here. Honestly, I could have just applied it to just part of the nail, but I wasn't really thinking. So right here I'm using some of this glitter that they have. And you know me, I like my little curves. That's what I'm gonna do again. I'm gonna do the same thing in the upcoming video. I think it's Selma for her birthday video. You're gonna see me kind of doing the same thing with the gold foil. But yeah, I'm just applying this all over. So this has this is very summery colors. It has purple, it has pink, it has orange, it has like little gold in it as well. Okay, so now I'm just applying their builder in a bottle, like a super thin layer, as you can see, like super thin. I'm just gonna let it all go down, and then I'm gonna file and buff that. Oh no, I'm not gonna file it yet, you guys, I forgot. So I tipped it over to the level, and I'm gonna put that little flower on there, and I'm gonna cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, we took that out. I buffed the nail, and I decided I need some in the middle. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the foundation base coat, just a little dab. And we're gonna apply this little pearl to it to complete it. So after I do that, I'm gonna cure that for another 30 seconds. And you see I buffed the nail and everything, so now I'm gonna apply the metallic top coat. I still don't know what this stuff does, you guys. I think it's just really a name. I'm not really sure. But if you know, if you received the box and you used it, or you asked them, or you already have the product, please let me know. So as I'm applying it, I'm making sure I'm not applying too much top coat, so I do wipe my brush every time I wipe. So it won't be too thick because I want to keep the same shape. I don't want to mess the shape up. Okay, so I'm applying the top coat to this. Oh, it's so pretty. I was supposed to use Dulce's top coat, but I kind of made a mistake. I think I used WildFlowers top coat. Cure that for another 30 seconds as well. No, I care for a minute this top coat, just to be on the safe side. So I don't know what happened. This nail wasn't recorded for some odd reason. That's why I was kind of confused in the middle of the video, but I applied those colorful ones, like say you could use for like kids or something, or you know. Cure that for another 30 seconds or a minute, and here we are, you guys. It's so pretty. So I did off camera too with the, I'll show in a second. That's what this one looked like. That's a size 1. It is a tapered coffin ballerina. And this is short stiletto. I decided to put gold on there. I used She Modern, the little gold glitter. And that is so cute. I love this one. I think I love that one the most. I'm gonna do some nails with that or something. And this is a size 2 or 4. Size 2 or 4. The PT box art, whatever they're called. And this is the nailboxy. And that's the gold glitter. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Check their box out if you guys want to. They have some packs boxes as well, but I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.